Hello, dear viewers. How are you doing? Today, I am going to tell you about text to column function. Look at this values. In this column, date and time is in a same column. I want to split these data in two columns. I want to uh, my time show me in next column. So what we'll do, we will select go to home. You should go to data and select function text to column data, and then go to text to column function. And now you should delimited. Don't use delimited. You should use fixed width. Fixed width. Select fixed width. Go to next. Then your data will be looked in this shape. Then next. Then finish. Okay. So this function will work like this, and your data should split in two columns from using text to column function. So guys, I hope that you will learn from this video, and like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for get notification for more videos. Thank you. Take care.